Consider the function below. We've got ourselves quadratic over a quadratic. Where is there a hole in the graph? Well, let's factor this stuff out. That's the only way we're going to be able to do it. So quadratic upstairs is going to look something like this. I need two numbers that multiply out to -4 and add up to -3. So -4 and +1 should do the job. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to factor downstairs. So I have two numbers that multiply out to 3 and add up to 4. So 1 and 3 should do the job. They want a hole. A hole exists when you have a factor on the bottom that's the exact same and the same amount as the factors that you have up top. X plus 1 on the bottom and x plus 1 on the top are the same. Now, the hole exists at the x value that makes the factor equal to 0. So -1 plus 1 is 0, so x is -1 is going to be my hole.